Okay, in this video, I'm going to be telling you how to use a YouTube video as your ringtone update. This is an updated version which needs, I think, iOS 14 or later. I'm not sure if this works with iOS 13. So anyway, go to your YouTube video, click share, then click copy link. Then go to Safari. And then go to this website ytmp3.cc. Then click go. Now wait for it to load. Then paste the YouTube URL after you copied that. Then click convert. To show you something like this, now click convert and also close the redirect or the new tab opened. Now to ask you, do you want to download video name dot whatever the name of the video dot mp3? Click download. Now it should come in your downloads like this. So now you want to open GarageBand. You also need GarageBand. Now just list the apps you need. So you need two apps, GarageBand, and you don't need anything else. Just save and create a new one. So once create a new project, then when it shows here, click voice. Then don't do anything, just click that. And then you want to click this loop-de-loop icon, files, browse items from files app, downloads. Then scroll down. I have a lot of things in here. So wait for it to import. If not, try again. Yes, now it has imported. Now you want to press and hold and drag it in there. Now just check if it's playing. I'll just turn the metronome on. Yep, it's playing correctly. So once you check that, you can remix it by clicking FX, and you can remix it if you want. So you can remix it like that if you want to do that. Now you want to click save. Now it should appear as my song. Now you want to press and hold that. Now click share. Now you want to click ringtone. You can name the ringtone whatever you want. I'll just name it South because that's the name of the song. Then click export. So now wait for this to complete. That was kind of fast. You click OK. Now you want to press and hold that. If you want to delete the ringtone, then you want to press and hold that, share, then ringtone, your ringtones, and click edit, and you want to click the minus sign to delete it. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video.